What's up guys, it's me again Dwayne. Today I'm gonna learn how to pilot a drone. So I'm gonna meet up with my brother who is a professional drone pilot. So we're gonna go to Ayala Heights and let's see. Ciao! So I brought today my younger brother Dwight and my mother. Hello. So we're on our way to meet my second brother, his Vance, the drone pilot. So that's my brother there. Cool one. Alright. Here we go. So we're now here at Ayala Heights. Let's do this. So, as a filmmaker, exposing to different kinds of camera like DSLRs, GoPros, and especially this one, the drone, is very important. Black thing right here should be in the black top of the propeller. So, the design of how to lock. Oh yeah. In flying a drone, it's very important as a beginner to have an open space like this one. We're in the middle of a mountain, just to be sure, with lots of people here. So just like any camera movements, a drone possesses the same kind of camera shots, just like the dolly. The basic one is the dolly. Dolly is just moving forward of the drone, dolly forward, dolly backward, dolly sideways. Next would be the pan. Pan is like a pan from left to right, or right to left of the camera. Next would be the tilting. Tilting is like from down to up, or up to down. So there are also different kinds of advanced camera movements. So for example, it's what you call the reveal. Reveal is like a combination of dolly forward and a tilt from down to up. So while the drone is moving forward, the camera also is tilting from down to up. So just like that. Piloting a drone is not easy, so you can imagine what my brother here is doing. So I really appreciate him piloting the drone. As for me, it's a learning process. So let's go and shoot some B-roll. We're done. So together with my drone pilot brother here, Vance and baby Dwight with my mother. So that's it guys. See ya in my next vlog. Bye bye.